birds are acting up. Flycatcher come over here a while ago like there's something in this tree. I don't know if there's a snake up there or not. They've sure been acting up.
No, Jimmy's not home.
No, but they wouldn't know if it's up in a tree though. Bill talked to the neighbor across the fence a while ago, and he said they had a rattlesnake on their back porch the other day. I just don't see nothing up in that tree. The flycatchers, they try to run things off. There's one over there hiding. Huh? Some doves up there being still. So I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I don't know. They see something, I can't see it. They're really telling about it. These are baby doves. There's one right there. And there's another one right up there. You can't see it. There's a little tiny bird up there. I don't know. Might be something on the ground there trying to get away from it. We better watch where we walk. The bird's really acting up. I bet you there's a rattlesnake somewhere. Or a bull snake. And it could be climbing these trees after they're babies. There's one there. They're just... We can't find what's going on. But if you listen to nature, they'll tell you. So there's something going on. The chickens are not squawking. The guineas are not. I feel like it's something high in the trees. But we just can't see it. So we just can't see nothing. There might be a snake up there robbing their nest. Well, the birds won't leave me alone. They know I could do something, but I don't know what I could do. I can't find anything. So everywhere I go, they keep following me and telling me about it. I wish I knew what it was. We were looking. And it's funny that they know I can help them. But I don't know what to do. No matter where I go, they keep hollering at me. And I don't know how to help them. But they're smart enough to know that I can. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't help you. And they're all stressed out. Look at them. Something's going on and I can't figure it out. They're trying to tell me. I just found this little bird egg in the yard. I don't know what kind it is. Do you know what kind it is?
I know what kind it is, Mom. It's an egg.
Yeah, how about you, Sonny? You want it? Okay. He said, that's the tiniest egg I ever had. Now you're going to eat it with dirt. Here, go out there and get it. I wish the birds could just tell us what's going on. They sure are upset. Thanks for watching Mount West Homestead. Bye. And we're keeping an eye out for a rattlesnake or something else. They're telling us, but we don't know.